Hey everybody, my name is Graham Nation, and today we're celebrating 25 years of sexy hair with the sexiest collab ever. I'll be taking you through some of Christina Aguilera's most iconic looks. Today we're gonna redo some of her voluminous curls. Let's get started.
To start, I rehydrated the hair for easier detangling. Next, I used Big Sexy Hair Root Pump Plus to support the foundation of this look and prevent the style from collapsing. Next, I layered in Big Blow Dry Volumizing Gel for a workable hold and volume and diffused the hair on medium heat for shine. Continue to alternate and diffuse the hair with Big Root Pump Plus for an added lift at the root area and Big Blow Dry Volumizing Gel mid-lengths to ends. Spray Big Fundraiser Volumizing Dry Texture Spray at the root area for additional volume and texture. Wrap the hair around the base of your curling iron to create a smooth curl. Allow the curls to cool. Spray Big Weatherproof to repel humidity and maintain the style.